Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to wear multiple hairs on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser and just go to roblox.com, and now guys, once you're here you have to tap on this menu button over here. Just go to avatar, and once you're here guys, you just need to just tap on double A over here and just request the desktop website. And now once you're here guys, if you want to wear multiple hairs, just go tap on head and body and go to here. And right now you can see that I have only selected one hair, so if I'm trying to select multiple hair it doesn't work, but I'll show you how can you do that on mobile or iPad. So just need to hold a new hair and just copy the link address, open a new tab from here and just paste your uh, link address here and just copy this asset ID, this numbers, copy. And once you copy, go back to avatar page, just tap on this advanced link and just tap on this asset ID and just tap on this save button, save again, and boom, your both hair will be selected. So if you want to select multiple, you have to repeat the same steps. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.